guys, welcome to my channel. My name is George and this is Before 30. In case it's your first time tuning in, it's a platform where we feature the young, the vibrant, and the amazingly talented Nigerians who are doing well in their chosen fields, career, and profession. Please, I beg you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Drop your comments on the videos, like them, share them. Let people know that there's a show on YouTube called Before 30 that is centered towards the youth, and it's impacting, it's inspiring, and it is motivating, guys. All right, today I'm going to be talking to some great minds about New Year resolutions. Do you believe in New Year resolutions? Do you have any New Year resolution for the year 2022? And do you know the steps you are to take to ensure that you achieve these resolutions before the end of the year? These are some of the things we're going to be talking about today on the show. This episode is going to be in two parts. The first part will be talking about what New Year resolution is. In fact, we'll be talking to some people on the streets to hear what they have to say about New Year resolutions. And then the second part will be looking at some of the steps you are to take to ensure that you achieve your goals before or by the end of the year. And of course, we'll also be looking at the role the God factor has to play regarding our New Year resolutions. All right, guys, it's going to be an interesting one. Trust me. I know these guys that I have on the show, and it's going to be an interesting one. So please don't go anywhere, because when we return from this break, the show continues and you get to know who I'm talking with. So stay tuned. This is Before 30. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is George and this is Before 30. In case it's your first time, please subscribe to this channel, share the videos, like them, drop your comments, and let's make it spicy. All right, you're welcome back to the show once again. Before I went on the break, I told you that I have with me, some young persons that I'm going to be talking to today, and we will be discussing New Year resolutions. Okay, so to my far right, I have Mike Iyeyi on the show. I hope I got your name right. Yes. Okay, so Mike is a web designer, everything websites. He is a guru in it, and then he's a singer and maybe a songwriter. I don't know, but then we'll find out on the show today. Maybe he was saying, all right, you're welcome to the show, Mike.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and the lady beside me, the beautiful lady beside me, is Blessing Ozadima. She is a fashion designer. Lanka Clothier is her line. It's a women's wear brand, right? Yeah. And she is also a digital guru. Most of the things I do, with my page and my channel, she teaches me. Okay, and it's a pleasure to have her on the show today.
You're
welcome. All right, so welcome, guys. Feel relaxed. This is, it's youth-based and there is no formality, but then we're making sense because we want to inspire. All right, welcome to the show. Okay, so first, Happy New Year. I know we've seen before now. Yeah, but then that's okay. So we're going to be talking New Year resolutions. Let's start with the lady, because they always say ladies first. When you hear New Year resolution, what comes to mind?
Okay, when I hear a New Year resolution, what comes to my mind is setting records straight. For example, we all lived through previous years, and we all have things that we planned out to do and didn't probably go well. Okay. Maybe due to some circumstances, some setbacks and all. But then a resolution helps you state a record that you want to follow. You get to attain certain goals. Can be goals short term, long term. Could be becoming a better version of you. Might be to save more, to eat more healthy.
Yeah. Even if it's not healthy, eat.
Yeah. Get rid of bad habits. For some people, they say, I want to quit doing this, I want to quit doing that. They are smoking, night clubbing and all. Yeah, so it's just setting a clean record of how, getting a very clear picture of yourself, a big picture basically. That's a resolution for me.
Okay,
yeah.
Amazing.
So when you're setting a resolution, you want to do better than you did the previous year. You want to achieve more than you did the previous year.
Okay, so it's about, a better version of you from what you used to be.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
So how about you, Michael? What do you think?
Resolution is turning a new leaf, doing things better. Like based on records of the past year, one might decide to be a better person in the coming year. Yeah. So they might make plans to become better.
Okay, amazing. Okay, so let's look at it. Let me ask you guys, coming into 2022, did you come in with any resolution? Maybe you made a resolution to eat more or reduce your eating habits. I don't know. Okay, so let's start with you. Did you make any New Year resolutions?
Well, I actually did a few of them though.
Okay, you want to share?
I'll share them online today.
If you want to share, please.
Okay, I'll share some, not the sensitive ones.
Okay.
Okay, like one of my resolutions is to hit the gym.
Okay.
I used to do that back in the day, but then I became
sorry to change the topic. When last did you hit the gym? Because I mean, you look Jimmy already. That's the word.
It's been a while, almost like 2 years.
Okay.
Almost
Wow.
2 years.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
going to do a comeback.
Amazing. Okay.
And then the second resolution of mine is to improve on my business strategy and all that. Include make some major steps.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
That's
what
cool.
I'm for now.
Alright, so how about you, Blessing?
Well, I have quite a few.
Okay.
I can't remember the numbering, but there are quite a few of them that I decided to stick to. Okay, one thing is setting your resolutions, and another thing is making sure you stick by them. I think the first resolution is to stick by your resolutions.
Yes.
Basically.
Yes.
Okay, so for me, I intend to save more. Like that is
I get
the
a
top. No, not necessarily a colo. I've tried that a couple of times
and it didn't work. You had to.
It's just beside me now. Just
Okay.
Yeah. So for me to save more, we have Piggy Vest. It's very reliable. We have
Piggy Vest. That's more like an advert you didn't pay for, but that's okay.
Okay, so I use that, and there's this Agile thing.
Okay.
Yeah, Agile with
a
group of people. Yes. Oh,
okay. The
trustworthy
one
people.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course. Okay.
Yeah. So I intend to save more this year.
Okay.
I have a target. Join here.
Well,
If you don't mind sharing.
Yes, please.
You don't mind sharing.
We might be inspired.
No, we're behind the scene.
Okay.
Okay, so I intend to save more this year. I intend to read more, like a book, one book a month.
Okay.
So I see that when I read more, I get to see other people's perspective in a particular issue.
Okay.
The way I see something is different from the way another person sees it. You get, and no one is an island, you know that.
Of course.
So I tend to read more.
Sorry to cut you on that. Read more. So January is almost gone. Have you been reading anyone?
Yes.
Okay. You
Yes.
want to tell us?
My first resolution is to stick to my
Yes,
resolutions.
to stick to it. Okay.
Yeah.
So you've been reading what exactly?
Okay, I've been reading this book by Joyce Meyer.
Oh.
Yes, she catches my fancy. This managing your emotions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Never
it's-
read it, but
it's-
I guess it's a
You
good
should
one.
try it. You should try it. It's loaded. It's loaded. Okay, I intend to fast more. That's the third one for me.
Okay.
Then I intend to take care of myself. Like go out on personal dates, like with me, just me. It's good
Specific
to-
girl for life.
Yes,
so
enjoy your space.
Okay,
You get my
Yeah. Okay. So, some of the things that you guys were saying, at some point, I was not confused, but I was trying to understand in my head. Okay, is there a disparity between New Year resolutions, not just New Year now resolutions, and then goals, New Year goals? Is there any difference between both of them? What do you think, Mike?
I think they're the same thing. They're one and the same.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You want to shed more light on it?
A goal is
What you want to achieve?
exactly.
Okay.
And resolution is also has to do. But the thing is, we've made this resolution thing sound like a tradition, where if you don't make a resolution in January, you're like you're seen as being unserious.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can make a goal.
Okay.
And also call it a resolution. I don't want to confuse myself and the viewers. So let's just leave it at that.
Alright, so how about you? What do you think?
Okay, for me, I think they're not entirely the same, but I think they are intertwined in a way. Okay, I'll explain. I think a goal is like something. A goal can be long term or short term. You get something we set to achieve. So I believe now the steps we take to achieve those goals, I think they are now the resolutions. For example, I might want to, let's say, add 50 pounds in 3 months. Okay, my resolution would be to eat more, basically.
Eat more.
You get,
Yeah,
it's not something I'm just jumping.
True. You know, that actually came to mind as you were talking. Let's say you talked about saving. That's a resolution, and then the goal might be to save like 100K.
Exactly.
You know, just quoting.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay.
So I think they are intertwined. The resolution is the pathway to achieving those goals. Sticking to the resolutions, basically, will make us achieve those goals.
Amazing. All right. So, what do you think are some of the challenges people face in meeting up some resolution? But before you answer that, let me ask this: have you ever made a resolution that you were not able to achieve? I think Mike, you go first.
A lot.
Okay.
We all have before.
No, you speak for yourself.
Okay. Yes. Of course.
Okay. What were some of the things the challenges? Do you remember any challenge that made you, not to follow through with your resolution?
The same hitting the gym plan I had. I have this year. I had it last year. I wanted to hit the gym.
Okay.
But I never did.
Okay.
I think it has something to do with my environment at the time. Where I was at the time didn't allow that.
Okay.
Allow me to. Yes.
Gym
Exactly. They were non-close.
Okay.
Yeah, we had distance ones and then activities around, and then also my job at the time. I was basically living close to my workplace, so I didn't have time for any of such things. Okay. So I think that's basically what's cost.
Okay. I was expecting to hear something like maybe peer pressure, friends. I don't know. Because I've heard a lot of persons, maybe not a lot, but I've seen a few persons who say, okay, I want to stop drinking, and then January comes, first week, second week, third week, and then it's February, and you actually want to stop drinking, and then you see yourself in a space where guys are drinking, shayo is everywhere, and then you hold, and you're like, okay, just one bottle, and then from just one bottle, you lose it as the year passes by, but you've never had such experience?
Not really.
Honestly.
I've not really been one to allow peer pressure pull me down. If I want to do something, I do it. No matter what people say.
Man of your word.
Exactly.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so how about you, Blessing? Any goal that you made, any resolution that you may have made and didn't meet up? And what was it? And what were the challenges?
Actually, so many of them. There are so many of them. But there's this peculiar one that I think we were sharing. Okay. Last year. Last year. I think I'm even making a mistake again this year, but I'm getting myself back. Okay, it's this aspect of having a budget and sticking to that budget. Okay. I don't want to say I'm a spendthrift. No, I'm not. Though it might appear to be, but I'm not. Okay. Well, as a worker, I tend to have this budget of I shouldn't spend beyond this amount a day. But sometimes I see myself spending times three of it. You get. So this year I'm hammering very, very much on that because it's very key to financial growth, basically. It's very key.
Okay. All right. So there are so many other questions I want to ask you guys, but we'll take them when we come back from this break. And in the break, we're going to be talking to some people on the streets to hear what they have to say about New Year resolutions. So stick around, guys.
This is Before 30.
I don't have New Year resolution actually because I don't do New Year resolution. I've seen a situation whereby people set, a whole lot of resolutions, things they don't want to do for the year and they want to do, and at the end of the day they don't stick to any. So I don't believe in New Year resolution.
My New Year resolution, I don't think I really have a New Year resolution because most of the New Year resolution that people are making, and I personally, I think that I just follow the flow, how things goes. It's not about putting it down, but sometimes I actually put some kind of thing I want to achieve in my mind, or putting it down on paper sometimes. This year is just a year for me that I need to work. I think that working with God based on what you want me to do is better than me putting down my own kind of thing that I want to do. So a New Year resolution is basically following the flow with God.
I don't really have a New Year resolution in quotes, but I have plans and I'm working towards them in alignment with the Spirit.
Do you believe in New Year resolutions?
Yes and no. Yes, because every year we should I should endeavor to be better than how I was last year. And no, because a lot of people will just make New Year resolutions, New Year, new me, but at the end of the day, it doesn't go. So I don't really go with the crowd in that sense. But New Year resolutions, it's actually a good.
Do you have anyone this year?
It's just principally to just outdo what I did last year. The things I did last year to go further than I did last year and be a better version of myself than I was last year. I think that's the principal resolution I have.
No, I don't believe in New Year resolution. It's just something you just do and forget about it within 2 months. I'd rather you just make 2 goals or 3 goals that you just achieve within 2 months. From there, make another one. From there, you raise the dike, you go up. Raise the dike, you achieve. From there, you grow. That's make January to December 10 goals to achieve. By February, you forget it.
I believe in new year, new level. So everybody should have a new way of thinking and a budget. That's why I think we should all have a new year resolution.
I think people should have new year's resolution because every year someone should, we should always have a goal to meet up with. Like we should always have something, also have a target to like aim at so that we can be able to get better at things and stuff like that.
This is Before 30.
Welcome back, guys. It's still before 30 and my name is George and I have these amazing guys in the studio. Of course, we just came back from a break where we had people's opinion about New Year resolutions and some of them told us what resolution they have for the year 2022. I hope that you have your own resolution. I have my own. I think I might want to call my own goals. Yeah, but then it's a must. I mean, you can't come into a year without having goals, things you want to achieve for the year, right? So what do you guys think? Is it right? Is it something that is compulsory? You come into a year and you have goals you want to achieve, or you just come into the year like that and you're like, God, it's an open book, I'm presenting to you, whatever you feel in it, whatever we feel in it, it's fine. What do you guys think, really?
Well, for me, I actually won't use the word compulsory.
Okay.
I would say it's something we should do.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you should have a plan for your life, and not just
just
coming and
just
like anything
coming.
goes kind of person. Yeah.
Okay.
So I won't use the word compulsory.
Yeah, because I mean, it's what you say you want that,
Exactly.
you know, God will do for you. Okay, so how about you?
Okay, for me, I will say you have been the spiritual part a bit.
Okay, of course.
There's a thing with words. They say words have power.
Power, yeah.
You get?
Yeah.
So when you speak things, you speak words like God created the world with words
Yeah, with
and it came
words.
into existence.
Yeah.
So in a new year, I think it's a blank check we have, and we have this opportunity
To feel what
to
you want.
feel what we want to
Exactly.
see in it. So I think it's not compulsory, you get, but it's necessary if you want. You
Yeah,
get.
to go, you know, a certain way.
Yeah, exactly.
Sense.
This is Before 30.
Welcome back, guys. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. Do you have a New Year resolution? What is your New Year resolution? Do you have them written down? Are there steps you're following to make sure you achieve those goals by the end of the year? These are questions you have to answer. All right, thank you so much, guys. You would agree with me that it's been a very, very great conversation. This is the first part. The second part will be coming up next week, where we'll be looking at steps you should take to achieve your goals for the year 2022. And of course, what role the God factor has to play regarding our New Year resolutions. All right, guys, if you haven't subscribed, I beg you, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, I beg you, please. Drop your comments, let me know what your thoughts are, and of course share these videos, like them, and you know, let's make it bubbly. All right, guys, till I see you next week for the second part of this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye for now.
This is Before 30.